Good evening. This is demo teaching of class 10th. So you all must have seen the letters like X, sometimes Y, or sometimes X plus Y. So we call it algebraic expression. What we call it? Algebraic expression. Because this is lecture for class 10th, so I hope you already know well about the algebraic expression. So it is not necessary that it will only be x plus y. It may be p plus q, s plus t, or sign may also change. Okay, so if algebraic expression will have power 1, for example, I write x plus y, or I write 2x plus 3y. In both cases, what is the power of variable x? Power of x. Power of y. What is the power of variable x? Here, this x is a variable. Okay, y is also a variable. So what is the power of x? It is nothing written here, that means its power is 1. Nothing is written above the y, so its power will also be 1. For this case, 2x plus 3y, what will be the power of x? Power of x, it is also 1. What is the power of y for this equation? Power of y, that is also 1. So I want to remind you that this number written before the variable, it is called coefficient. This 3 is also a coefficient of y. Okay, so next is 2x square plus 3y square. Another one, 3x square minus y. So for this equation, 2x square plus 3y square, for this equation, what will be the power of variable x? So it will be how much? This is power. In this equation, what will be the power of variable x? So power of variable x is 2. What will be the power of variable y here? So power of variable y will be 2. For this case, what will be the power of variable x? So here power of x is 2. What will be the power of variable y? Power of y is equal to how much? 1. So if we find that in any algebraic equation, either in this or this, power is 1, so we call it linear equations. What we call? Linear linear equation. And if we see power is 2, power is 2, then we call it quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. In this all equation we can notice that there are two variable. There are two variable. One variable is x, another is y. For this equation, first variable is x, second variable is y. In this equation, one variable is x, another variable is y. For this equation, first variable is x and the second variable is y. So we can say quadratic equation in two variable. And here linear equation in two variable. Okay, so here I want to tell you one small mistakes or small things which we should keep in mind always, that if I say x plus y is a is an equation, this is wrong. X plus y equal to 0 or x plus y is equal to 5, or suppose x plus 2 is equal to 3. So these are called equation. These are equation because these all part equate to some constant, equate to some value. But here there is nothing like equal to, so we do not call it equation, we call it polynomial. Okay, so I will write here polynomial, and this is correct. Polynomial is correct, equation is wrong. One more time, x plus y, this is polynomial, but x plus y equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 5, x plus 2 equal to 3 or something, x plus y equal to 6, these all things are equation. Okay, so if you talk uh, about two equation like x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1 together, then we call solving linear equation in two variable. What we call it? Solving linear equation. Linear equation in two variable. So after this lesson, after this lecture, you will be able to solve almost any kind of linear equation in two variable. And before proceeding, I want to make you clear that this word power is also known as degree and index. Okay. So this is our topic for today, solving linear equation in two variables. I will make the topic now. Linear equation equation in two variable. Lesson name will be pair of linear equation in two variable. I will mention the date, set 12 September 24. Okay, this is our heading, lesson name. Now our objective is to learn to solve this all kind of algebraic expression or linear equation in two variable. So I will take some example. First, suppose we will have x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, how to solve, how will we solve this question? So for that, because this is variables are already equal, so no need to do any extra effort. This is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. We can cancel it. y. You add these both equations. Adding both the equations. Adding both the equations. Xx 2x. If we will add plus y and minus y, it will be cancelled, or we can add 0. But I will prefer to cancel it. 5 and 1 6. So x is equal to how much? 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Here the value of x is equal to 3. If we want to find the value of y, then we will put the value of we will put the value of x equal to 3 in any equation. I will prefer to put in 1. So x plus y is equal to 5. What was the value of x? 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 3. These 3, when we brought this 3 that side, sign changes. Okay, sign changed. So y equal to 2. So that is our solution. Hence value of x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. These are our solution. So here in this solution, what I did, I eliminate one variable out of two variable. So this method is called elimination method. Which method? Elimination method. Elimination method. Actually, there are total four methods to solve a linear equation. So I will write here, there are total four methods to solve a pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation. Okay. First one is elimination method, which is very easy. Elimination method. Second is substitution method. Third is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. And fourth is some says graphical method or geometrical method. I will write graphical method. Graphical, geometrical method. Fine. So this pair of equation was solved by the first method, elimination method, which is very easy. So now I will give a question. For example, if we have, this is self-created question, so answer may be weird. Suppose we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 25 and 3x minus y is equal to 10, and the question is solve the pair of linear equations. Linear equation, this is a question, or our question will be to find the value of x or y. That is a question. How will we solve? Solution. So we have, look carefully, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 25, 3x minus y is equal to 10. You see, is this term or x variable is equal? No. Is the term this y variable, is it equal? No. So first of all, we will equal the variable either x or either y. So I will choose to make equal this variable x. How can we make this variable equal? For that we will multiply some number. I will write again now, otherwise you may be confused. 2x plus 3 to 25, 3x minus y is equal to 10. That is just from the question. How can we make this equal? If you understand well, then you can multiply a good number. Otherwise, simply you take this number here and this number here. Okay, what will we get? That is equation 1, that is equation 2. Now what will we get? This 3 will be multiplied to this term 2x, not only to 2x. So we will get 6. This 3 will be multiplied to 3y, it will be 9y. This 3 will be multiplied to 25, so it will be 75. Same process we will repeat here, and we will get 2 3 is 6, 2y, and 10 2 is 20. Okay, so now our target is to eliminate is to eliminate those variable which is equal. So here I can say that x variable is equal na 6x 6x, this is equal. So our target is to eliminate it. How can we eliminate it? If we will add it, will it be eliminated? No. So we will subtract, so I will make the sign here, subtract. And remember, if we add it, then there is no need to change any sign, but if we subtract it, so there is need to change sign. For example, this minus will be plus, there is no sign here, that means positive signs, it will change to negative. And we will not change we will not do any change in the above equation. We will do change in sign only in the below equation. Now this is 6x and this is minus 6x, so it will be cancelled. This is plus 9y and this is not minus 2y, this is plus 2y. Okay, forget about this sign now, we will value this sign. So 9 into 11y, this is positive 75, this is negative 75, and 20, what will happen? 5 7 7 2 5. Sorry. Okay, so y is equal to how much? 55 by 11. Okay, that is our value of y. How will we find the value of x now? So putting value of y equal to 5 in equation 1, I will put the value of y equal to 5 in equation 1, but you can put the value of y equal to 5 in equation 2 also, you will get the same answer. So our first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to I did a mistake, 2x plus 3y is equal to 25. Put the value of y, 2x plus 3 into what is the value of y? 5 is equal to 25. Remember, this is multiply, not x. Okay, 2x plus 5 3 is a 15, 25. 2x is equal to 25 minus 15. If we take any number or any term from one side to other side of equal to, its sign changes. It is in positive, so it changes to negative. Okay, 2x is equal to 5 5 0 2 or 1 1. So x is equal to 10 by 2 5, x equal to 5. Hence x equal to 5, y equal to 5, that is our answer. But remember, it is not necessary that value of x and y always be equal. Sometimes may be equal, sometimes may not. Do not worry about that. So this was the way to solve a pair of linear equations using elimination method. There are 3 more methods, but we will discuss this later. So if you understand it well, I will show you some standard questions and we will solve the problem by using the same method, elimination method. Come back. Before solving, I want to remind, कि linear means degree 1, degree is equal to 1 or power is equal to 1. Same or no? Same meaning. Power is equal to 1 or degree is equal to 1. Quadratic means quadratic means degree is equal to 2. Okay, degree or power, same word. sorry, semi. And remember, if we find any number like 2x plus 3y uh, plus 6, this is polynomial. This is polynomial. But if it will be equal to 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, then it is equation. Remember, with equal to equation, without equal to polynomial. This may look like this also. This is also equation. Okay, equation. And there are four methods. There are four methods to solve linear pair of uh, there are four methods to solve pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. First is elimination method, second is substitution, third is cross multiplication, fourth is graphical or geometrical method. Okay, ESCG I have written in short just first letter of the method. So now we will do some standard questions which I have already prepared. Problems with approach. Okay, see the first question. X plus y is equal to 7, 3x minus 2 equal to 11. How will we solve this question? We will solve this question just by elimination method. This time we do not have to use another method like graphical, cross multiplication, etc. We will use only elimination methods. Okay, so x plus y equal to 7, 3x minus 2 equal to 11. Is that question hard? No, this is easy questions. So how will we solve? Making x, making coefficient of x, making coefficient of x equal. We will make coefficient of x equal by multiplying some number. Okay, and we can solve it using previous method and technique. So I hope you understand. Second is x plus y equal to 3.3, 0.6 by 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. How will we solve this question? So first of all, we will simplify this line. Okay, the first equation is very easy. Second may be tough for you. So we will simplify it. 0.6, and if you multiply we will get minus 1, 3x minus 2y, 0.6 equal to minus, I'm sorry, 3x minus, it will be plus, this is minus, this is minus, minus minus plus. Next I can write 3x minus 2y minus 0.6. That will be our second equation. Now you may be asking, that is minus 3x, how did I change? So there are two methods. I hope you understand. The first is I brought this minus 3 this side, so it is positive. I brought this 2y this side, so it's negative, sign changed. And I brought this 0.6 another side, so it's changed to minus 0.6. So this is our first question, this is our second equation. First equation, second equation. Now it is in easy form, so we can solve this two pair of linear equations, these two equations, using elimination method very easily. Come to this question. 5y by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 8. Y by 2 plus 5x by 3 equal to 12. How will we solve? Just first of all we will simplify it. We will simplify it. uh, I will simplify it quickly. You see, it will be 15y minus 2x 48. Okay, we will simplify. Second is 3y plus 10x to 42. That is will be our second. Just using just using the technique of fraction addition and subtraction, I made it. If you did not understand it, I can explain it again, but I hope you understand because you're in 10th. Next is 7 by x plus 8 by y equal to 2, 2x 2 by x plus 13 by y equal to 22. How should we solve this question? So this question can be solved uh, either by first of all we will simplify, or there is a technique. So I want to introduce about that. See, so this 7 by x, we can write it like 1 by x, 8 1 by, sorry, 1 by y is equal to 2. Here 2 1 by x plus 13 1 by y equal to 2. We can say this is here also, here also, here also, here also. If we consider 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q, so how will the equation look like? 7p 8q and 2p plus 13q equal to 2. I'm sorry, it is 22 here. Okay, now you see, if you look at this question, look at this equation, it is like linear equation and you can solve it. After the solution you will get the value of p and y. Again put the value of p here and you will get x and y. Similarly, you look here, 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y, something. See these questions. Okay, so denominator is same, so either we will use the same approach here again. We can solve it directly also, or by using simplify. We can use any method, but the best way is to consider 1 by x minus y is equal to p and 1 by x plus y is equal to q, uh, like this. Another one is 5x plus 8y equal to 19. So this you can solve by using, just simplify first, simplify first and then solve. First either you will get the value of y or either you will get the value of xy. Put again and again, you will get both the value. Next is 5xy plus 8 something. Here x and y variable is not separate, it is not separate, it is together. So it may be new type of question but not too difficult. Just simplify. Okay, no, it's already simplified. Equate, what we say, make coefficient equal, make coefficient equal either of this term or this term, and then solve it, you will get your answer. So I hope everything is clear and I show you some standard type of questions from this lesson. Pair of linear equations, two variable. Okay, see you in the next class if possible.